Hello friends, welcome to the channel. I am Poonam Dua from Imend Education Academy of Literature, and if you have been watching our channel, you must know that these days we are covering important biographies because exams are near and you need to revise everything. Biographies, to understand the biographies is the best way to revise your course because it covers all the important writers, it covers all the important texts. And in the same direction we are going to cover F. Scott Fitzgerald today, the famous American writer. We have covered many Indian and European writers, and this is the turn of American writers now. And please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel before you continue, and you can call us to join our online classes as well. Born in 1896 and died 1940, he was an American essayist, novelist, and screenwriter, and a short story writer as well. जैज़ एज के बारे में थोड़ा सा जानते हैं बिकॉज जैज़ एज इज़ कम्प्लीटली एसोसिएटेड विद फिट्जजेरल्ड. ही वॉज द वन हु कॉइन्ड दिस टर्म. तो जैज़ एज 1920s की एक ऐसी एज थी स्पेसिफिकली इन यूएस जो कि यूथ का वेल्थ, यूथ की फ्रीडम, यूथ की फ्लैशीनेस, यूथ की डैशिनेस और यूथ के कलर को बेसिकली डिस्क्राइब किया करती थी. और ये डिस्क्रिप्शन बहुत ज़्यादा विजिबल है इन द नॉवेल्स रिटन बाय फिट्जजेरल्ड. जैज़ एज से रिलेटेड आपको कई बार क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. इट वॉज अ पीरियड इन 1920s एंड 30s इन विच जैज़ म्यूजिक, जैज़ डांस वर रैपिडली गेनिंग नेशन वाइड पॉपुलैरिटी इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. एंड इसी एज के रिपरकशंस या इम्पैक्ट्स थे जो कि फील किए जा रहे थे पूरे यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में. यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स जो कि बर्थ प्लेस है जैज़ एज का. This moment also helped to start the beginning of European jazz movement. American author F. Scott Fitzgerald is widely credited with coining the term, and first he used it in his 1922 short story collection titled Tales of Jazz Age. इस टेल के बारे में हम पूरे डिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ बात करेंगे. हमारे थर्ड वीडियो में इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड पूरे MCQs होंगे जो आपको इस वीडियो का एक प्रॉपर रिवीजन करवाएंगे. सो प्लीज़ डू वॉच एवरीथिंग केयरफुली दैट इज़ बीइंग टोल्ड इन दिस वीडियो. सो अब बात करते हैं उन राइटर्स की जो कि एसोसिएटेड थे जैज़ एज के साथ. द राइटर्स हूँ डिफाइंड द जैज़ एज ऑलमोस्ट अ सेंचुरी अगो स्टिल exert upon us. The first and foremost F. Scott Fitzgerald, Langston Hughes, Ernest Hemingway, Dorothy Parker, Eugene O'Neill, and Ezra Pound. These kind of personalities were associated with jazz age. इस वीडियो में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं उन दो टेक्स्ट की जिनको स्पेसिफिकली जैज एज के साथ एसोसिएट किया जाता है. Tales of the Jazz Age by F. Scott Fitzgerald and The Sun Also Rise by Ernest Miller Hemingway. टेल ऑफ जैज़ एज अपने आप में एक टेल नहीं है. इट इज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ शॉर्ट वर्क्स बाय एफ स्कॉट फिट्जजेरल्ड which was published in 1922. Here I have written the names of all the tales associated in this collection, and out of these tales best known is the short story The Curious Case of Benjamin Button. तो थोड़ी सी बात कर लेते हैं सबसे फेमस स्टोरी के बारे में. द क्यूरियस केस ऑफ बेंजामिन बटन. दिस इज़ अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी रिटन बाय एफ स्कॉट फिट्जजेरल्ड एंड फर्स्ट पब्लिश्ड in a magazine, Collier's magazine, on 27 May 1922. It was subsequently anthologized in Fitzgerald's book Tale of Jazz Age, which is a depiction of jazz age. Let us talk something about its plot. 1860 की setting है Baltimore की. Baltimore is the most populous city in US state of Maryland, where Benjamin, the central character, is born with the physical appearance of an 80-year-old man. तो जैसे ही बच्चे का बर्थ हुआ है उसकी शक्ल 80-year-old man की तरह है, who is already capable of speech as well. उसके फादर चाहते हैं कि वो नॉर्मल बच्चों की तरह ही रहे और ही इनवाइट्स नेबरहुड बॉयज़ टू प्ले विद हिम. और उसको ऑर्डर भी करते हैं कि टू प्ले विद दी चिल्ड्रन टॉयज़. बट बेंजामिन को शायद टॉयज़ पसंद नहीं. ही ऑबेज हिज फादर ओनली टू प्लीज़ हिम. और 5 years की एज में उसको किंडरगार्टन भी भेजा जाता है. बट ही इज़ क्विकली विदड्रॉन आफ्टर ही रिपीटेडली फॉल्स अस्लीप ड्यूरिंग द क्लास एक्टिविटीज़. अब बेंजामिन की एज 18 हो जाती है. एट द एज ऑफ 18, obviously like every youth of 18, he enrolls in Yale College but is sent home by officials who think he is an old man who is pretending to be a boy. When Benjamin turns 20, the family realizes that his age is going backwards. So at the age of 18, he starts aging backwards, and the story basically explores the way age dictates identity. Many a times we say na age is just a number, but in this novel, it is told that age is not a number. Age is what your identity. At a particular age, you are expected to do this. At a particular age, you are expected to do that. How old we are has quite a bit to do with who we are. Next text that is important to depict jazz age is The Sun Also Rise. Ernest Miller Hemingway was an American journalist who wrote it. He was a novelist, short story writer, and sportsman as well. And his adventurous lifestyle and his public image brought him admiration as a writer too. Born in 1899 and died 1961 in United States. The Sun Also Rises is the first major novel by Ernest Hemingway published in 1926, and it is also titled as Fiesta in England. The novel captures the mood, feelings and attitudes of a hard-drinking, fast-living group of some disillusioned people in post-war France and Spain. The Sun Also Rises established this writer Hemingway as one of the great writers of 20th century, and today it is considered one of his masterpieces and a classic work of literature. In this novel, the basic theme is disorientation. Hemingway renders the disorientation and distractedness of the lost generation. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can contact us to join our online or offline classes. In next part of the video, we will cover some important texts by this writer Fitzgerald. Please click on this link to reach to that video. Thanks a lot for watching and best of luck for your exams.